outfit check. I went to the supermarket last minute, so this is what I wore last minute. First of all, shoes. That's it. And then vegan bag. Never buy leather. You can always buy vegan stuff without them being made from animals, and they're more beautiful than the stuff made from animals. A vegan fur. Again, no animals hurt. And then this cotton blouse, no necklace. This is the jewelry right here. And my jeans, my favorite jeans, because they elevate every outfit. Cruelty-free lip liner and lip oil. So I really want to buy some new stuff, and I feel like I have to at this point, because I feel like when you don't really like your clothes anymore, it's a must to buy new ones. I don't know, it's a need. Yeah, whatever. I'm still looking for what I want to buy, and I will let you know when the time comes, and I will make a haul. Yeah, that's it. Bye!